What you say what, Raj?
A Bugatti.
You know you're stressed? You're stressed, you know?
And when that one broke, I'm gonna get a Lamborghini.
No, sir!
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man, a pushing at the traffic. Welcome to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everybody is doing good in this Sunday. So I say it's October 11. I'm say a whole heap of people are celebrate them birthday. And also we know a whole heap of viewers have birthday because when you comment on the Jackie video, I want to say I want a birthday upon the 11th. I wish as much as I could, you know what I mean, the people that I could reply to. So big up yourself if today your birthday. So I say we see Jackie go live and in the on the ocean with some youth we do YouTube, them do fishing, them have a fishing channel, spear fishing in Jamaica. But the signal ever too strong, so you know, me not have the live for showing what Jackie are going with. You see me, I say. But people, let's talk about Jada boyfriend versus man. So a little while ago, I made a video and tell you say him and Akon them have some problem, right? And you know Akon the rapper locked up, right? Him and Akon brother they have some problems over money. Apparently now it's $3 million, right? So it looked like him file a I'm not gonna say lawsuit because it's a complaint, right? In the state of Georgia, that's where he resides. So, you know, he filed a complaint for his $3 million. So I'm gonna tell you now what I'm saying at the caption, right? Him said, today my lawyers filed a $3 million amended complaint against Blue Tiam and his company. We were hopeful we could settle this matter. However, we gotta do what we gotta do. I have written it's for the likes of too many major artists to just let this slide. And at this point, we have to take it to court. Right? Courts, him say. Sorry. Thank you to my supporters and to my attorney, and him tag him attorney, for standing with me. Whatever the outcome, at least we doing what's right. So there you have it, people. We know say $3 million them owe him, right? $3 million. That's a lot of money, people. Right now, more want to tell me in the comment section if we don't see 3 mil. You know what I mean? We are talking about US dollar. What would I do? Like, what is the first thing would I get with 3 mil? I whole heap of money that. However, I'm not going to read through the official complaint. I just going to put it on the screen and, you know what I mean, skim through it. Like, at the top it says, in the Superior Court of Fulton County, state of Georgia, and it has his name right there, and the plaintiff and the defendant, right? And first amended complaint and parties involved and all that. Now, I'm telling you in another video, and if it's the first year I hear about that story, and you know what go on. Alright, so Versimans wrote some very, very like big hit song where we know, right? Songs like him same right for Nicki Minaj, him right for Chris Brown and Rick Ross and Usher. You know that song there, New Flame. He also wrote for Trey Songs and him write him own stuff. Him write him own stuff when him used to the Akon label or when he at least had official business with them back in 2010, 2011, around those time, right? And all those songs you can find them on YouTube, right? So, Moda hope say him getting money or at least get a portion or get something where him feel alright with, because the thing is that he's trying to settle with them. He not really want to take them a court, but because them not pay up him money, him not have no other choice but to take them to the courts, right? And ash it out this so. And you know, like him I say, win or lose, him know say him do the right thing. Cause imagine all these songs what me telling about are these artists what me tell you say him right for. Like at least 3 years ago him say, because him say him been a try to get him money like 3 years now. So it's been a while since him a try to get this $3 million, and you know what I mean, nothing go on, right? Alright, people, so what them also see Jada make some posts, and you know what I mean, I was a bit concerned because she did say some things where like, you know, like she did got you a little thing. But it seems like she fine now, you know what I mean? She back to her regular posting and all. You know what I mean? My sister, she put up some her swimsuit and everything. She said her swimsuit sell good. You know, she almost want to cry because the fans them a support her and the swimsuits sell out so quick. So I'm glad for hear that. I'm glad for Sister Jada do good, you know what I mean, and she still did their support verse him, and anytime him post them thing, you know what I mean, she repost it, or at least at the bare minimum she repost it if she not merely comment on it or say nothing. You see me? So we have to big up Jada for that. And we like we say, we hope verse get his money. You know, people them thing happen all the while. You know, people, it's just, me not know exactly, me not know Akan them story and for them side of the story. But, you know what I mean, them not really say nothing because obviously none of them want them money and him want the money from them. And, you know, me can't talk for Versimans, but what I can say is that obviously me know say, yeah, him and Akan them used to be friend, and we see him sing them. If you go watch him old music video them, you can see him and Akan them in the music video. I wanna know say yeah, him used to write for them. And before me even know about him, like from a year about Jada boyfriend and this and that, you know what I mean? We hear him write some song. Me at least, I speak for myself. Me hear him write some song. Me just never know a which song. But me know him have him own song them differently. So what do you know when time in decide for talk, you know, speak out against them and he say, yeah, I mean write that song there for Usher and Chris Brown. I mean write that song there for Nicki Minaj. I mean write them up on Trey Song album. I was very surprised, you know what I mean? I'm like, damn, yo, that's some big hit song them there. But it even hurt more for hear the man say, yo, him not get no money off of them there. All know. And if you look on them song, they just the views alone on YouTube could add up to $3 million. Me don't know how exactly go, but you know what I mean, just the views alone look like one great deal of money. So it's them to do the right thing and pay the money. That's what I say, cause I mean, in these times, if I even dollar, it's what I say, much less $3 million, and him work for it, him earn it. So them to do the right thing and give him money. You see what I say? That's just my opinion, people. If you don't have a different opinion, you know what I mean, if you don't care about this matter at all, get in the comment section. I want to tell me what I go on. You see me? So once again, let me shout out to the birthday people on October 11. You see me? I say, Jack, your birthday, him there out one sea island somewhere I celebrate. You see me? I say, but I know say a lot of you have birthday today, so if you see that video, you know what I mean, or if you see it afterwards, you know, happy belated. So big up everybody. And if your birthday come up to, you know what I mean, big up on yourself too. So that brings us to the end of the video, people. If it's your first time on this channel and you like this video, please subscribe. You know, if you just subscribe, welcome to the family. For all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here, liking, sharing, and commenting. Have a wonderful day, night, or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Thank you for watching. Big up.
We got Diamond in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. Tento Blacks. Yadi.